Don't start Upwork if you don't know these 5 things. Now that's a statement to ponder, isn't it? Let's take a moment to appreciate the importance of preparation before diving headfirst into the freelance pool that is Upwork. There are 5 things, yes, just 5, that are absolutely crucial to know before you take the plunge. These nuggets of wisdom could very well be the difference between success and struggle on Upwork. Knowing these 5 things may make the difference between success and struggle on Upwork. First, perfect your profile. Your profile is not just a bio, it's your professional identity on Upwork. It's the first thing potential clients see, and it's your chance to shine. Start with a professional and friendly profile picture. Your smile is your logo. It's the first thing people will notice. Make sure it represents you in the best light. Next, let's talk about your skills and experience. Be clear, be specific, and above all, be honest. Describe your skills in detail, and don't shy away from showcasing your experience. Remember, your expertise is your product, and your profile is your packaging. Finally, your introduction. This is where you tell your story, your journey. Make it compelling, make it authentic. Convince your potential clients why you are the best fit for their project. Your profile is your first impression. Make it count. Second, know your skills and specialization. It's crucial to understand and display your unique skills and specializations. You see, Upwork is a vast marketplace. It's easy to become lost in the crowd if you're trying to be a jack of all trades. Instead, consider focusing on a niche, a specific area where you excel. It could be anything from graphic design, content writing, programming, or even digital marketing. Highlight these skills in your profile and proposals. Show potential clients that you're not just another freelancer but a seasoned specialist in your field. Provide examples of your work, share your experiences, and make sure your expertise shines through. It's a simple rule of thumb, but it's often overlooked. People want to hire experts, not generalists. They're looking for someone who can deliver high-quality work in a specific area, so define your skills, specialize, and let your expertise speak for itself. Remember, a specialist often beats a generalist on Upwork. Third, master client communication. This is one aspect of your Upwork journey that can make or break your success. Clear, professional, and timely communication is not just a courtesy, it's a necessity. It's about understanding the needs of your clients and providing them with regular updates. Imagine this. You're a client, and you've got 2 freelancers in front of you. Both have similar skills, similar experience, but one keeps you in the loop, answering your questions before you even ask them, while the other leaves you wondering what's going on. Who would you choose? The answer is pretty clear, isn't it? Remember, on Upwork you're not just selling your skills but also your reliability and professionalism, and nothing screams professionalism louder than effective communication. So put in the time to improve your communication skills. It's an investment that will pay off. Good communication can make a client choose you over someone else. Fourth, power up your proposals. This is where the real game begins. Proposals are your first impression, your elevator pitch, your opportunity to stand out from the crowd. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to proposals. Each one should be crafted with care, tailored to the specific job and client. Start by understanding the project. What does the client really need? Show them that you've read and comprehended their requirements. Then, highlight how your skills and experience align with their project. Next, let your personality shine through. Clients don't just want a freelancer, they want a partner, someone they can work well with. Be professional, but don't be afraid to let your unique character come across. Finally, make your proposal concise and compelling. Avoid jargon, keep it simple and clear. Remember, your proposal isn't about you, it's about how you can solve the client's problem. A great proposal can get you the job even if you're not the most qualified. Fifth, master digital marketing. It's not just a skill, but an art of its own, and it's the best way to rake in more money on Upwork. With businesses going digital at a rapid pace, the demand for digital marketing professionals is skyrocketing. So, if you can excel in this field, you're essentially securing a gold mine. So, as I mentioned above, digital marketing is the best method of making more money on Upwork. And if you guys need deep explanation about what digital marketing is and how you can easily learn it, comment how. And my next video will be about it. Have a nice time until we meet again.